Malaysia, Johor Bahru. This is just beside the boundary of Singapore. It will only take you like 10 minutes to go here. From Johor Bahru, you'll gonna enter some immigration
from Woodlands
office.
to Johor Bahru.
Yeah, Woodlands to Johor Bahru. Shout out to Ryan for giving us a ride going here. Thank you very much. See, this is the JB Central, Johor Bahru. It's the things you'll see here. A very nice place to go. Okay.
Pasok na tayo siguro mall.
They have great architectures here.
There, oh. Johor Bahru.
Okay, so just a tip when you go here, you buy the charger, because our charger there in the Philippines like this, it won't work here. You need something for the adapter.
For Malaysia and Singapore.
Because this is a British colony. Probably that's it. That's why it's like that.
Here.
Wait, you see. So we are going to the mall to check if they have that adapter that we need. Okay. It's nice also from Johor Bahru. We took the hotel in Fives Hotel. So you just check it there in Agoda. You can check there. Very nice place.
There was a slight hiccup.
Then we also tried the Roti Boy. It's the coffee bun here. It's for 5 pieces. It's only 15 ringgit. So I don't know if it's already rush hour. We're here now in the mall. So it's level 5 here. There's a mall and a condominium unit here. We have also Watsons. This is Johor Bahru City Square. Here now in the night market here in Johor Bahru. Sale items, cheap. This is the Bedroom Hotel. Tapos you have those foods. So let's find some laksa here. I hope we can get some laksa. Authentic street food laksa here in Johor Bahru. Finally got the chance to taste this laksa here in Johor Bahru. It's supposed to be curry mee laksa with curry. Very spicy. It's good. Hello and good morning. Day 2 of our trip here in Johor Bahru Malaysia. It's breakfast time. This is the hearty breakfast available here in Fives Hotel. It's already 7 but the sun isn't shining yet.
5 fish at 5.
So the breakfast is good. We have charcuterie, plain porridge, soup, nasi lemak, prata. Tastes good.
Sambal.
With sambal sauce, that's very spicy. Not for me.
Chicken.
Okay, I'll get you a tour later there again. soup that I made. I don't know what's the name of that soup, but he told me it's just to call it chicken soup, but it's so spicy. Or the chili that I placed there, very spicy. This one, it's so hot. Food here in Fives Hotel is very nice. Just right for the price. If you're going here, you can avail of that breakfast. This is your warm up going to the gym. Oh, the gym room is nice. Oh, it's locked. So if you want to use the gym, you can also tap your key card. Very nice. It's nice and warm here. You can use our sportswear. Gym is just the right size. Johor Bahru City Center. This is our gym.